Dear builder owners, good day. Today I would like to share you the importance of protection relays in any power system, and its, by law, maintenance requirement. According to the published statistic, by Department of Occupational Safety and Health, numbers of fatality due to electric shock have been recorded over the years. Among all the causes of fire hazard, faulty electrical sources is at the top of the list in Malaysia, with more than 5,300 cases recorded in the past 3 years. All electrical panels and switchboards have protection relays called earth fault and overcurrent relays, which must trip the power supply in the event a fault develops, to help save lives. When an electrical fault occurs, people can get electrocuted and die, because the return current flows through their body, stopping their heart. Therefore, protection relay must able to detect the fault and cut off the current flow by opening the switch in millisecond. The Electricity Regulations, 1994, states clearly in Regulation 110 that all relays must be tested and calibrated once in 2 years. According to Regulation 122, penalty for who contravenes or fails to comply with these regulations shall be liable to a fine not exceeding 5,000 ringgit, or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year, or to both. PQE Power System Private Limited, a Suruhanjaya Tenaga registered servicing company, licensed up to 500 kV. With more than 20 over years of field experience, our teams of qualified and well-trained testing engineers provide excellent wide spectrum of electrical engineering services. Contact us now. Our email info@pqe.com.my. Thank you.